Morning students. As you all know that yesterday we have completed English literature workbook page number 10 lesson 1 Pippi Longstockings up to exercise 3 na. So what you all have to do, you can mention the date on the page of the workbook at the left side 16/7/20 and at the right side classwork. After that come to the exercise 4. Statement is given that write sentences about these things. Follow the example. Means picture of car you are seeing at the left side. There is a picture of car, doll, refrigerator and clock is given. So the statement is also related given. Refrigerator picture is there. So statement is also there. A refrigerator is something that keeps food cold. As you all know, you all have refrigerator at your home. This is the electronic equipment which helps to keep the food cold. So come to the next picture. There is a picture of clock also given na. So what you can write, you have to write like this: a clock is something, a clock is something that tells us the time. Okay, come to the next one. Next picture of doll you are seeing in the book. So a doll is something that children play with. It. Okay. So you all know that doll is a something, doll is a toy. It is a something that children play with it. Okay. Come to the next. On the page number 11, you can see exercise 1 is given. Fill in the blanks with whose or whose. Whose word is used to show the relationship, and when you are talking anybody else, we can use whose. Whose means who is. Okay. So the first statement is given. The policeman helped the old lady whose. Here we write whose word. You can write with the help of pencil in your book only. This is the work of your workbook na. So with the help of pencil you can write here whose, because it is showing the relationship of the old lady and her purse. So whose will come here. Come to the next. He is the man whose. Here come whose. WHO' means he is the man who is always helpful. So we can write whose. WHO' like this na. Come to the next one. See. Dash the thief who stole the purse. So anybody is asking that who is the thief. So WHO' we will write it here like this, that who's the thief who stole the purse. Whose means who is. It is the contracted form WHO'. Come to the next. D. He is the man dash taken lots of purses from old ladies. Here again we write WHO', because he is the man. It is written, it is full form is he is. He is the man who is taken lots of purses from old ladies. He is indicating to someone, so we can write whose. WHO'. So come to the next one. Do you know dash purse he took last week? So we can write do you know whose purse. Here again it is showing the relationship. Do you know whose purse? somebody else and purse. It is related. So whose purse he took last week. Come to the last one. I don't want to know anyone who is I don't want to know anyone who is got a friend like that. So we can write who is WHO apostrophe S here. Okay, in the last. Now when you complete up to this, come to the next exercise. This is the exercise 2. Now heading is given. Now write your own sentences using whose or whose. We have to change this. This is the 2 sentences are given. This is Salim. He is always playing tennis. We have to write it combined as a one sentence. So how can we write it? We can write like this. This is Salim. This is Salim. You have to write first sentence as same as it is. After that you can join sentence with the help of whose. This is Salim who's always playing tennis. Playing tennis. So there he is indicating about a person. This is Salim, showing a person. This is Salim who is always. I am again telling you that who apostrophe S, it is the contracted form of who is. So this is Salim who is always playing tennis. Come to the next. Here we change it into the one sentence. Come to the next. Here is Rahul. His father is a policeman. So what we can write? First sentence we write it as same as given in the book. He is Rahul whose father, because Rahul and father are correlated. So we write whose father is a policeman. Means it is showing the relationship between Rahul and his father. So we can write whose here. Come to the next one. The man spoke to Lakshmi. She has always worked in their house. So it is indicating about the person Lakshmi. A woman Lakshmi. So we can write it like this. The man spoke to Lakshmi, whose WHO apostrophe S, who is always worked in their house. The man spoke to Lakshmi, who is always worked in their house. Come to the last one. The doctor was helping a man, his leg was broken. So the doctor is talking about the person, a man, his leg was broken. So it is showing the relationship between the man and the person broken leg. So we can use the word whose. The doctor was helping a man whose leg was broken. So what you all have to do? You all have to complete this in your book, workbook, English literature workbook, with the help of pencil. Don't use pen in the book, okay? In a neat and clean handwriting, and spelling should be correct. Okay? Thank you.